Box breathing involves a 4-step cycle. The first step is to inhale deeply for 4 seconds. The second step is to hold your breath for 4 seconds. The third step is to exhale slowly for 4 seconds. The fourth step is to hold your breath again for 4 seconds. Repeating this sequence slows the heart rate and promotes calm. Deep belly breathing involves inhaling deeply through the nose while allowing the abdomen to expand. Place a hand on the stomach to feel the movement during deep belly breathing. Exhaling slowly through the mouth is a key component of deep belly breathing. Diaphragmatic breathing signals the body to activate the relaxation response. Alternate nostril breathing involves inhaling deeply through one nostril while the other is closed. The breathing pattern then alternates, switching which nostril is open for inhalation and exhalation. This alternating breathing technique helps balance the nervous system. Balancing the nervous system can lead to reduced stress levels. Alternate nostril breathing promotes mental clarity.